To an ongoing sewer situation which continues to cause headaches for the residents of Tawes in St. Catherine. Councillor for the Spanish Town Division, Kenisha Allen, has expressed concern about the health hazard posed from raw sewage which has been flowing into canals throughout the community. Speaking at a recent public health and sanitation meeting in St. Catherine, she said the sewage which has been flowing from the Tawes sewer plant for quite some time poses a health concern, especially for children who frequent the canals for recreational purposes.
Being filtered into the canal, did the representative mention the evidence or the channel in which the feces were detected? One, was it coming directly from the community, like for example from a sewer?
It is a situation which the acting Chief Public Health Inspector for St. Catherine, Grayson Hutchinson, found disturbing. He said he has already contacted the National Water Commission, NWC, about the issue.
The President, Mr. Mark Barnett, informed us that the Horizon Park sewage treatment plant is scheduled to be upgraded and improved. The sewage from Tawes will actually be diverted to Horizon Park sewage treatment plant.